No, this is not clickbait. I've actually returned my Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna tell you why. So make sure to stick till the end. And with that said, let's hit that intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shinobi, and if you didn't already know, I purchased the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus about a week ago and it was in the phantom black color. You can watch the unboxing in the I button here or here, I don't know why. But yeah, I did buy it and I used it for a week. But right now I have returned it for some personal reasons, which I'm gonna share with you obviously in this particular video. So let's start. Now, after setting up the device and all, the experience was simply amazing. Starting from the build quality to the software experience, to the in-hand feel, to the cameras, everything was super nice. And yeah, it is a great experience to own such a flagship. But yeah, it does come with its caveats. So keeping all the good things aside for a minute, I'm going to talk to you why I have returned my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Now, the main and the only issue that I had with it was battery life, and because of that I had to return it. So to start off, after I unboxed it and I set it up, for the first 2 to 3 days everything was amazing. It was giving me about 18 to 19 hours of usage time, okay, with about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, which is pretty good for a flagship. But after 2 to 3 days, the battery supposedly learned my usage pattern, and yeah, the problem started right after that. So the battery started draining like crazy on the S21 Plus, starting from the 4th day itself. And yeah, I was getting about 12 to 14 hours of usage with about 3 to 4 hours of screen on time. Sometimes if I use the battery saver mode in the middle, I can go up to 4.5 to 5 hours. But yeah, with pretty good usage, I'm a very heavy user of my phone. So yeah, with pretty good usage, I was getting about 12 to 14 hours with about 3 to 4 hours of screen on time, and hence I had to charge my phone twice in a single day, which is pretty annoying. Now, another major issue was that the overnight battery drain was immense. So on a few nights I went to sleep at around 11 p.m. okay, and the battery percentage was about 25 to 26%. But when I woke up at around 6 a.m. in the morning, the phone was completely dead. Although I kept the phone in power saver mode and I turned everything off, starting from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, GPS and all that stuff. I turned everything off and I kept the phone on power saver mode, but still it was dead in the morning, and that really ticked me off. So after talking with Flipkart, from there I bought the phone. After talking with the representative, they gave me some troubleshooting, which are the basic factory reset and all that stuff. I did all that. I did a factory reset. I tried some more tricks by searching on Google, but yeah, nothing was working. So I thought that my charger may be defective, because you don't really get a charger in the box, you only get the type C to type C cable. So yeah, I was using a PD 2.0 charger. I thought it was because of that charger. Then I bought Samsung's official 25 watt PD charger, but the problem stayed the same. So the phone was charging faster, but yeah, the battery backup was still the same of about 12 hours on average. So yeah, after even buying the official Samsung charger and using it, the situation didn't change or become any good. So yeah, I was really frustrated after that particular event. So after trying everything, I finally switched to 60 Hz to test out if it improves anything, and yeah, it did basically. So you get around 30 to 40 minutes more screen on time by switching to 60 Hz. But yeah, that is the thing. Why should I use 60 Hz when the phone has a 120 Hz LTPO display basically, which auto switches? So yeah, that should definitely save battery, right? So why should I use it at 60 Hz? First, they stripped down the QHD Plus display and gave us a 1080p display. And now if I have to use my phone at 60 hertz, then there's no point of paying so much money. The other competitions from like OnePlus and Xiaomi already have better phones for lower prices with better specs, so why should I use this? And yeah, that's why out of frustration I finally returned my phone. But honestly, I loved everything else about it. Just the battery life was the crux for me. So at the end, I would like to say that if you're buying a flagship in 2021, make sure that you're okay with the massive compromise that you're gonna make in battery life for just a little bit boost in performance. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this video and why I returned my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like on this video and share this video with everyone that you know. That's been it, I guess. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. Hit the notification bell to stay notified. And if you have any similar stories, comment them down below. Yeah, and with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.